Inputs coming in, high drama at Jamia Nagar. We're given to understand that the cops were stopped from performing their duty and the allegation has been levelled on Aam Aadmi Party MLA Amanatullah Khan's supporters. According to the inputs that we are getting, a crime branch inspector and his team had gone to arrest a suspect who was reportedly an accused in an attempt to murder case. But teams were stopped, police officials were blocked. Sources tell us that Amanatullah Khan and his supporters were present at the spot in Jamia Nagar. Let's go across to Bhavtosh for more on this. Bhavtosh, this is what sources are telling us, that Amanatullah Khan and his supporters were present on the spot. The allegation is that the workers, the supporters of Amanatullah Khan, blocked the cops from performing their duty, from performing this individual who is an accused in an attempt to murder case.
Yes, Swati. In fact, what had happened or what transpired around 90 minutes back was that a crime branch team reached Jamia Nagar, in fact, in Okhla. They were to nab a proclaimed offender who was booked in the case of attempt to murder in 2018. Chavez is a wanted suspect. They reached Matla House area, and when they were about to arrest him, according to sources in crime branch, they were stopped from doing so by Amanatullah Khan, AAP MLA, who was present at the spot, and also by his supporters. There are no injuries that happened. The police and the crime branch has said that they are verifying into all this incident, but they have in fact said that a large crowd had gathered. This allowed Chavez to leave from the spot or to flee from the spot. The crime branch team then made a PCR call or a distress call. Then the local police came here, and as you can see from the visuals, that the crime branch officials are narrating them as to what exactly happened, or what was the sequence of event. Now, whether crime branch will formally lodge a complaint and file a case, one has to wait and see whether that actually happens. But Amanatullah Khan has been in news for all the wrong reasons in recent times. There was in fact a viral video in which he was in fact arguing with the local area SHO after his son was challan was issued to his son. So we are waiting for a formal reaction also from Amanatullah Khan as well as from Aam Aadmi Party.
All right, allegations have been levelled. We are waiting to get a formal reaction from Amanatullah Khan. But the crime branch officials do mention that there was a large crowd that gathered there, and that allowed the accused to flee the scene. That's what the officials are saying. Bhavtosh, thank you very much for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a very short break, but news and updates will continue here on Times Now. Stay with us.